I've got another video here. These are the cargo mats for a Tesla Model Y Juniper from Tesloid here. We've got the front mat, the back of the seats piece that are held on with these Velcro strips, works really well. And then the rear cargo mat, and then the sub trunk right there. So I've laid this out here just so you understand where each of these pieces go. And we'll go ahead, we'll install this. It's really pretty straightforward. The only ones that have Velcro to hold them in place is on the back of the seats. And the reason you'd want to have these is if you're doing Uber or something and you're constantly putting stuff in the trunk here. I've noticed that when I put stuff in there, it gets pretty dirty. If this gets dirty, you just go ahead, pull it out, hose it off with water, or when you're at the car wash, and just throw them back in. Anyway, let's get these installed. They're pretty straightforward. Again, if you're interested in purchasing these or any other product from Tesloid, I've got a link down in the description. So like I said, I get a lot of like tire marks from luggage and stuff like that. So first thing you're going to want to do is just vacuum this up, and then you can go ahead and place those in there. So let's go ahead. We'll do the back of the seats first, and then we'll do the back one here. Okay, so the one thing that you just got to be aware of is it needs to go underneath this flap that's here. So what I would do is get the top part lined up, and then just lift this up and tuck it underneath. And there you go. Again, we'll get this lined up on the top. And then just tuck it underneath. Like that. There you go. And we can move the seats up. So this one, the rear trunk one, goes in here. There we go. Perfect. And as you can see, my grandson helped me put the front one in, so it worked out just perfect. Okay, so let's just get this one in. And there we go. So that's what it looks like. So the only thing that's a little bit of a challenge is some of the mats have like a crease across here, so that when you fold this up to get into here, it kind of folds easily. That's the only drawback I see with this one here. And then if you're wanting to get into the fridge, it kind of gets in the way, but I can still get in there, grab a pop, or ice cold water. This is by far one of my favorite accessories for my Tesla. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. It really does help out. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.